Hey guys, this is Professor P with a special Pokemon Go news update for you. This weekend, Rayquaza, the Sky High Pokémon, will be back in Legendary Raids as part of Niantic's Weather Week events. It will be running from 10 a.m. on the 27th until 8 p.m. on the 28th, and featuring its legacy move, Hurricane. The recommended lobby size for this Pokemon is at least 2 players, provided you have all of your attack boosts. But it may be weather boosted itself, so proceed with caution. And if you are really lucky, you may even encounter its shiny form, which is one of the best looking shiny legendaries out there. But if you do make it out physically, be sure to stay safe and invite those friends of yours with remote passes. But that's it for us for now. If you enjoyed this video, please come back soon for more, and until then, gotta catch 'em all.